You're here because you've got UKG and Power BI, and we have a pre-built solution that's easy to use and set up. To get the most from your UKG data, a BI tool like Power BI is essential, but it can be tricky to set up and very costly. Well, we've solved this for you so that you can start getting insights from your data today. You'll see critical data such as regular hours versus overtime hours, total payroll amount paid versus overtime amount, and soon we'll be releasing new metrics covering headcount and much more. You can easily drill through your organization from the company level right down to the employee level. Our payroll report lets you understand where your money is being spent. Date comparisons are crucial for identifying trends, which is why you can compare the current period with the prior period, analyze year-to-date figures against last year's, and much more. It's all about gaining a comprehensive view of your payroll data. Ready to experience our payroll report in action? We offer a comprehensive example package including Cognos reports, PowerShell scripts, SQL queries, and Power BI visualizations, all for just $15,000. Don't miss out on this opportunity to transform your payroll management. Contact us for a free introductory meeting to discuss how we can take your payroll solution to the next level.